Hey guys, Czar here, very quickly watching the Dow and entering. I'll enter on the break of this candle since I wasn't able to click record right there, guys, for you. It'll be right there on the break above. You see it? And there. Now I've entered. I was already in, of course, but I wanted you to see the entry. It's very important to me that happens. Long Dow, guys. I'm looking for 25 points on this one. Risking 25 to make 25. Not asking for too much on this. It's a zone reversal trade, but a newly formed zone made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in particular with rejection wicks, and this big one is very important to this trade. This should be a fairly quick trade, but we don't know for sure. This was another trade that I did earlier. I'm going to delete that now. This is one that I missed that I sent to my group to explain a trend continuation trade. I'm going to delete that marker, and now we're going to watch this one. Here we go. Now there are other things that I'm watching too, and I will explain those to you in a moment. It's a 2-minute chart on the right hand side. Several things. Number one, this is power hour. We are now 3:06 p.m. So we are into power hour where volume typically expands, and very often we get range expansion as well. So that's what I'm looking for here, this continuation after this big rejection down here. The second piece is this very bullish daily candle. So this is a bullish candle that's taken out 6 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days highs. I should say 5 days highs on the 6th day, pardon me, actually met the high and then rejected down. And I was able to take advantage of that with a short sell a little bit earlier on. That would be the video beside this one, or one of the videos beside this one. When this trade is complete, will be uploaded, of course. And so, watching now, we've had this impulse move up. Let me show it to you on the 30-minute here. From the open of New York, which was right here, impulse, small corrective here, impulse higher, and now nice long corrective move even through the twilight zone with these indecision bodies that you see here, kind of doji style bodies, 1, 2. But this big rejection is indicative of buying coming in here and supporting this for the afternoon. No guarantees at all, obviously. But this is worth, in my humble opinion, flipping the coin on, calling heads, and then watching what happens. Patience now. I'll put you on pause, guys, and bring you back as this materializes. Pause now. New high for the move. Looking for a caffeine injection here during power hour. Oh, being rejected. Interesting. Keep watching. Let me show you the Three Sisters here as well. I try to show this in a way that makes the most sense. And I believe this is the way to show it, lining up VWAP. So the Dow is the strongest of the three, but just marginal over ES at 1.25 standard deviations from VWAP. ES is basically at the S&P 500 is basically at the same level, but the Nasdaq is the weakest of the three. Looking for support now in these three to rally in order to make this Dow go a little bit higher, or encourage it to go higher, shall we say, from a synchronicity standpoint. I'll put you back on pause. Almost a new high for the move. There it is. There's the new high. Some caffeine coming in now. So again, this is a zone reversal trade, guys. You can think of it as a trend continuation. I'll show you what I mean by that. There's two ways to look at this. I mean, most trades are a combination of different things, right? So impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective, impulse. So there's a trend continuation element to this. But from a categorization standpoint, I think the easiest to understand would be a zone reversal, right? In the same way as rally, we rallied up earlier. I took a zone reversal trade earlier going down. We formed this new zone or pivot area, and now reversing back up again, at least temporarily. Again, still no guarantees, but it is the trend idea is a zone reversal with a higher time frame trend continuation feel to it. Okay, I just want to make sure we understand and we're on the same page in terms of naming these things. Back on pause. New high for the move. 3:15 now. Each quarter hour into the power hour, we get a little more volume, typically. Not every time, but for the most part. Looking for 25 points here, guys. One more push. You think we can get it? I believe so. One more push. Tightening my stop now. Oh, might need this stop. Not loving that. Let me check the Three Sisters here very quickly. Yeah, it's across the board. Stop to break even, guys. Stop to break even. And place a defensive stop on this given what I'm seeing across the board. If it was just the Dow, probably wouldn't tighten it so much, but this is a break-even stop now. Going to defend that. Just patiently watching now, accept whatever happens. Here it is, almost. This is my fourth trade of the day. I've had 3 winners today. This will be the 4th. Looks like it's going to be a break-even, but still in it. Couple of points away. Still watching the Three Sisters on a different monitor. And they are selling down. So this is very likely to get stopped out now at break even. Unless they find support real quick. Oh, NASDAQ dropping. Here we go. About to be break even. Let me show this to you. There's the and out. Yep, I'm out, guys. Break even. Thanks for being with me today, guys. That's the fourth trade. 3 wins, one break even. No losses today, which is nice. And we'll probably see something else maybe before the end of the day. Who knows? It's 3:20. Yeah, it's getting a little tight now, but have an amazing evening. Take care, guys. We'll talk soon.